It's recording. Alright. Oh shit.
Getto
Zippo right here. Oh shit, it's still on. Watch, you can hit your pipe
We're
with
gonna
it.
hit the pipe tobacco.
Now how do you put it up? Oh shit! Hold on, let me see this. Let's get a closer fucking better angle of it. Alright. Lighter, right? Button that keeps it going. Shit! What's going on? Woo! Alright. Let me hit this.
This pipe tobacco.
Yes. It's like smoking a cigarette. Yeah, alright. See? Oh! Fuck yeah! Fuck, it keeps going out. Oh, it don't work no more!
Mountain Dew. Best drink in the world, fellas. Whoa. Almost got a camera shot. Isn't that sight, guys? Look at it.
The frog,
The
man.
frog.
We call it Frogger.
Look
Oh,
at it.
have you named it yet?
Have I named this?
Yeah, name it Frogger.
Name it Frogger.
Yeah,
Frogger is the name.
Frogger is the name.
Nice.
I like it, dude. It's a fucking pimp ass pipe. Little bubbler for tobacco smoke.
Nasty. It's like right when you said pipe tobacco.
Oh, it's still got some.
Right when you said pipe tobacco, I would put it right on the fucking pipe, boy. It's like, yeah, that's pipe tobacco. So you broke my Getto Zippo?
Yeah, dude, you fucking
Ooh.
bro.
It's getting hot, dude.
I know, that's why I let it sit.
Alright.
I keep getting this side of it, you know?
Ha.
Let's post it up somewhere.